Let us solve this problem. The equilibrium constant for the following reaction at 25 degrees centigrade, Cn minus plus acetic acid undergo reversible reaction HCN plus acetate is A into 10 power 4. The value of A is, तो यहाँ पर the given that K of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 mole per liter cube per liter, and K is given HCN, that is 0.45 into 10 to the power minus 9. So two dissociation constant value of acid is given here. So to find this value of A, we first know the K of these two acid. So what is K? So K from the law of chemical equilibrium, this is a reversible reaction, we can use the law of chemical equilibrium, that is K is equal to HCN, that is the product of the concentration divided by the product of the reactant. So reactant is Cn minus, and here HAC, that is the acetic acid. Now I am doing some change, multiplying H3O. So because our idea is to convert to separate this one, AC is separate and this is separate. So this will be separated by multiplying H3O. So if you multiply and divide by H3O plus, then what we'll get? We will get the dissociation constant of each acid. So first to divide it, multiply and divide it. This is the AC, again divide by Cn minus, this will be your HAC multiplied by H3 up and down. This is a numerator, this is again denominator. So now write separately. So this and this separately, H3O plus AC minus divided by HAC. So this is the dissociation constant of acetic acid we will get here, and this is the dissociation constant of, here we will get HCN divided by Cn minus and H3O plus. So this is the dissociation constant of acetic acid. So here we can calculate for this one, this is the Ka of HAC and this is the Ka of HCN. So we will get final value. So K is given here 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5, and this is given here 0.45 into 10 to the power minus 9. So you will get value 4 into 10 to the power 4. So we need to find out what is the value of A. So value of A will be equal to 4. This is the answer.